Good morning. I'm student meteorologist Brad Yehl, giving you the weather for Friday, December 7th, 2012, on the 71st anniversary of Pearl Harbor. As we look at our current conditions, we can see over at State College we have overcast skies with a moderate rain, a temperature at 32 degrees, calm winds, wind chill at 32, and the relative humidity at 92%. And as you can see, we do have our temperature is at freezing. So with this, we do have freezing rain advisories throughout the state, mostly in the central portions and further out to the east and extending actually all the way up to the Catskill Mountains of New York State. And this is due to rain that will be overspreading the region while these temperatures are still at freezing. And as you can see where the temperatures are compared to these advisories, we can see State College at 32 degrees, and pretty much as you go further east, the cooler it gets generally in the higher elevations. Williamsport and Selinsgrove are the exceptions in the mid-30s, but it's close enough to freezing where you have to keep an eye out. And warmer areas out towards the west, we have 41 here out in Pittsburgh, as well as 41 in Erie. As we can see, temperatures around the nation, overall not too unseasonable for this time of year in December. Fairly mild actually. We have a 44 in Kansas City, that's above average there. Cool spots up in North Dakota, Bismarck at 21, and Caribou up here at 17. And as we look in our satellite and radar from earlier this morning, we can see as this rain starts spreading up into that cold air, we see some pink and reddish on the map. This indicates a mix, but most of that pink is actually freezing rain, so none of it's snow. And as this rain starts to spread over the region, over those cooler temperatures, that's where we'll be finding the freezing rain. And also, you can also see some snow out here in South Dakota. This low pressure will make its way towards the east, but this will not cause snow for our neck of the woods. And as we head closer on our satellite and radar view, we can see this rain spreading through the region from southwest to northeast over the Commonwealth. And primarily this rain is light. It's actually out ahead of this cold front. The cold front is extending all the way back into Michigan with this area, shield of light rain. So mostly it's not going to be too much of a problem, so no heavy rain is expected. And as we check on our forecast model, our eye in the sky, as we put this into play, you can see some of that pinkish show up, but then it just goes away as the temperatures start warming up throughout the day. And as we see our low pressure on that cold front moves off, and another low behind it starts forming again. And as we look into today, we can see much of our temperatures are going to be on the cool side, not too far from average though. Generally low 40s, the cool spots northeast PA, 35 in Scranton, warm spots out in west, you have 46 in Erie and 51 in Pittsburgh. And as we head into tonight, generally those temperatures will remain steady with the decent cloud cover. We have mid-30s generally, the exception again out west a little bit warmer. You have a 45 out in Pittsburgh and 43 up here in Erie. And as we head into tomorrow, we can see these temperatures start warming up a bit into the mid-50s. You have Philadelphia down here, 55 degrees, and up here in Scranton at 47. And our warm spots will be, again, in Pittsburgh at 56. With Erie, a little chilly with the rain from that next low pressure system, cooling it off only up to 47 degrees. And as we head into our upper air pattern for the remainder of the week, as we start putting this into motion, we can see generally our pattern is progressively west to east, but as this cold air from Canada starts sinking southward, as a trough begins to form over the eastern or the central states, that will bring cool air down towards the Great Plains area, but it doesn't make its way further to the east. So we will still have generally mild conditions. I say mild, it's going to be cloudy and rainy, so it's seasonable, but it's not going to be like tremendously cold throughout the week. And looking at our 5-day forecast, we can see as the temperatures start warming above freezing, that freezing rain will turn into rain. And over the weekend, a little warm up before our next low pressure system comes in Sunday night into Monday, bringing more steady rain Monday morning. And also we have to look out that low pressure system will be trailing a cold front, which could spawn a low off the coast. So Monday night into Tuesday, we could see a quick transition from rain to snow, but don't expect much in the way of accumulation. But it's just possible Monday night. And Tuesday, it will cool off as that low pressure and that cold front pass by through us. And thank you for joining us here at the Campus Weather Service. And also, we would like to just keep in mind of Pearl Harbor. Many people gave their lives the ultimate sacrifice on December 7th, 1941. And as FDR once said, a day which will live in infamy. Well, thank you for joining us, and until next time, be weather-wise, not otherwise.